Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 15th part of explanation of my theory. Arıdaşır's meta-sensation perception matter concept and metaphysics of accepted at present physics theories. Accepted at present physics. Still, there is no certain prediction and determination for any multielectron atom, even for two-electron helium. I had put forth some formulas which work inside of meta-sensation perception matter's universal reality and which are transferred to our subjective reality by the light. If they were wrong, how can I predict and count the spectral lines of multielectron atoms? Certainly. For instance, oxygen. For instance, carbon. For instance, helium, etc. Please, I advise you watch my former videos about this subject, and especially I advise you to watch my first video, step by step. I have told and shown before some of my predictions and countings in my former videos. I advise you to watch some of my videos. For instance, my predictions of oxygens, a multielectron atom. Spectral lines. Wholly and certainly I have counted according to my theory and my formulas. I have predicted, I have put forth, for instance, carbon, helium, etc. from my former videos. A. My meta-sensation perception matter concept transcends all metaphysics. You may say this concept is metaphysics. I have said that emptiness, assuming the emptiness, assuming the voids, assuming the nihil, assuming the nothing, is metaphysics. Can you see the void? Show me. Show me the void. There is no void, in fact. Something part of we cannot see. We say that void. The rays of all of, as if void and all of things, limits, rays. Shut your eyes. Close your eyes. I'm so sorry. Close your eyes. Or no. Or look. Think of with your mind eye. You will see nothing, and this nothing is everything, and this is the matter. I don't want to confuse your mind now. I'm gonna go. Can you see the void? Void is metaphysics that is inside of matter. Emptiness is metaphysics that is inside of matter. Can you see emptiness? No. Can you show emptiness? No. How can you assume there is emptiness? This is metaphysics. you say about something that is nothing. Void, emptiness, is metaphysics that is inside of matter. I cleared up the void from the matter. And I put forth the meta-sensation perception matter concept that we can never see directly. If we are incapable of seeing something, this doesn't mean that we do metaphysics. This assumption is wrong. This is from my book, English and Turkish. One, first of all, it is not a ghost. It is not a matter. It is the matter. In fact, the emptiness has been wandering, walking like a ghost around, not inside of this matter. It is wandering, walking around inside of human being's mind, who was trying to divide the corpuscles, particles, infinitesimally to find atomos, elements, for thousands of years. Again, first of all, it is not a ghost. It is not a ghost. It is not a matter. It is not a matter. It is the matter. In fact, the emptiness has been wandering, walking like a ghost around, not inside of this matter. It is wandering, emptiness is wandering, walking around inside of human being's mind, who was trying to divide the corpuscles, particles, infinitesimally to find atomos, elements for thousands of years. 2. Meta-sensation perception matter is both what is impossible to see as what it is nobody can see, and what it is as when it can be wholly seen, if nothing and nobody can be seen. Again. 2. Meta-sensation perception matter is both what is impossible to see as what it is nobody can see, and what it is as when it can be wholly seen, if nothing and nobody can be seen. 3. Meta-sensation perception matter is not motionless. It has intrinsic, immanent, cyclical motion forms, regular motion forms, and they interact with each other. Through this interaction, meta-sensation perception matter meets itself, and the subjective reality that we share with all living species emerges through these interactions. B. This is important, and next I will explain again and again. Partly I have explained, but I will go on explaining. B. Meta-sensation perception matter doesn't expand or doesn't shrink. It is an adiabatic sphere at an infinite radius. If you add, say, 0.01 nanometer to this radius or subtract, you would make the universe out of balance. Again, meta-sensation perception matter or universe doesn't expand or doesn't shrink. It is an adiabatic sphere. It is an adiabatic sphere at an infinite radius. If you add, say, 0.01 nanometer to this radius, or subtract, you would make the universe out of balance. Meta-sensation perception matter has strong or low tensions. Relative motions of its intrinsic motion forms or their synthesized complex forms make meta-sensation perception matter has instantly increasing and decreasing tensions. And intrinsic motion forms, electron motion forms of meta-sensation perception, remember, starts from eternity, we don't know, as starts their motion, their cyclical motion, as motion arrow, and reaction from universe meta-sensation perception to its motion arrow its motion, itself, interaction, a kind of tension, remember, and then cycling, starting, okay, and regularly waves, etc. Remember my from former videos. Next, I will put forth another my energy formulas, highest ionization energies of atoms formulas. I will explain again Davison-Germer experiments, Thomson experiments, and I will explain my another formulas about this, and about meta-sensation perception matter and tension relation, pressure, transparency or anti-transparency, etc. Yes, have a good evening. See you later.